apartment complex, 207 apartments. They have 3 stations for collecting recyclable waste, like paper, metal and glass. And they have a jk5100 composter for composting food waste. The compostable waste is collected in compostable paper bags. The bags are put directly into the compost machine, so there is no dirty bucket to take back to the apartment. The whole process is very user-friendly. Open the lid, put the bag in, and close the lid. When the lid is closed, the correct amount of carbon additive in the form of wood pellets is added automatically. The jk5100 is clean and easy to use, and takes composting to a new level. The jk5100 can also be used in schools and in restaurants. Special buckets can be used in the kitchen that allows the liquid to drain from the solid waste. These buckets can be emptied directly into the composter. The jk5100 is a fully automatic modern composter. Grinding is not necessary before the material is added, as a powerful shredder does that at the entry point of the machine. The carbon additives are added manually or by the automatic pellet doser, which adds the correct amount of wood pellets every time the lid is closed. When the material has been shredded, it is inserted into the first chamber of the machine. This is called the processing chamber, where the internal temperature is high. The material is mixed and aired for about 2 weeks in this chamber. During this period, new material is added frequently. The rotation arms mix the waste material and wood pellets. The interval of rotation can be adjusted so that it accurately suits the particular waste being composted. Each of the 2 chambers will have different needs in relation to mixing and aeration, and these can be programmed differently from each other. The ventilation system can also be adjusted. The airflow can be set separately in each of the 2 chambers. The combination of airflow and mixing adjustments makes it possible to optimize the composting process. After approximately 2 weeks, the machine is instructed to move the material from the first chamber into the second chamber, which is called the ripening chamber. A system with 2 chambers ensures that the material being ripened is not mixed with the new material being continuously added. This guarantees a totally composted product as the end result. After another 2 weeks in the second chamber, it is time to empty the material from it. A hatch at the end of the machine allows this to happen. In just 2 to 4 weeks, food waste is transformed into a valuable compost, which can be used in green areas and on flower beds, and as a soil improver in gardens and on vegetable patches.
Well, as you can see, all the things that we are using here goes back to the nature.
The new generation Dura composters are a temperature monitoring equipment to meet hygiene regulations. At a time of ever stricter waste regulations and hygiene demands, they ensure that organic waste material is handled in a clean and environmentally friendly way.